work.
Is that the camera? Oh, cool.
Windy weather. You see the drone is wobbling about a bit. It's fighting against the wind. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Because I think our wind here is a little bit high. But I'm only going to fly this for a very short amount of time. It's going to come towards us. Coming towards us. Go up a little bit. Up. God, it's fighting the wind.
Why didn't you put the guards against it?
Okay, it's only for indoors. See, I changed the camera settings. So the ISO is now 800, so it gets more light in through the camera shutter.
Oh, okay.
So it looks better. I want to change the shutter speed to 2 to brighten it up. This gives it more of a mood. See that?
Mm-hmm. Cool.
So I'm going to go backwards. Very well. Towards us. Oh God, I'm going to have to land it. It's too windy.
It's too windy, honey. I mean, you can feel it. Just
look at it.
Oh, it's fighting.
Yeah.
Still doing good.
Yeah. Look how much it's fighting.
Ooh, why are you doing that? Pull it away.
I'm going to land it. That is that's enough.
Is it?
Yes.
It seems like you were doing